How to redeem Google Play card. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily redeem your code on Google Play card. First thing you have to do is open up your Play Store and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, find the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then from there, you'll see these pop-ups. Now go to Payments and Subscription. All you have to do is go to Payment Method. So if you haven't already, you can add different payment methods here. Now, in order to actually redeem Google Play card, you are going to have to go to the redeem code section. Just tap on it. Now here you have an option to enter a code, or you could also scan a gift card. Now once you have your valid code, you can just enter it here and you can paste your code. Then what you can do is your redeem button will light up, and if your code is valid, you should be able to claim the rewards with the code. And after doing so, you could just go back and see if you have claimed your reward or not. That's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.